Yes, and for Cortez Washington, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll have her run both of those then. I was nervous because of all the pages that was printing out for both of them, but they are valid, so.
No, all eyes.
All right, let me bring them all in. I'm bringing them all in. Please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter. Dominic Wilson.
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Dominic Dwayne Wilson. This is ticket SP 1104541. This is one count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Dominic Wilson.
Judge, I think his license is valid. Can we confirm that? And if so, I move to dismiss for compliance.
All right, at this time, we have run his license. It is valid.
Nice.
So the court is going to dismiss it without prejudice. Mr. Wilson, good job. I see that you got your license back in order, so that's excellent. Now, you do have some older cases from 2018, 2016, 2020 you need to take care of, okay?
Okay, no
They're,
problem.
Civil infractions, okay? So just go to the window. You might want to set up a little payment plan and just take care of them, but it's not gonna affect the license as of right now, okay? It should.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Congratulations on getting your license.
Thank you.
Back.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Xavier Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of people versus Xavier Charles Williams. This is ticket SP 1131429. One count failed to display. Ticket number SP 1423045. Drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 1450042. Driver's license never acquired. Count one. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three. No, count three on that one. Ticket number SP 1453225. Count one, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Yes, two tickets in default. Ticket SP 1454727. One count, no expired plates. Count two, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Xavier Williams. And can I say something about the tickets?
Wait one moment. Let me just As to any matters for which the defendant appears here for arraignment, will waive any formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. The defendant is prepared to enter into a plea agreement. We'd ask that those defaults be made part of the global agreement and dismissed here. The defendant's ready to make a factual basis to failing to display his valid driver's license.
All right. Is that the case, sir? You want to plead to the fail to display?
Yes, just the driver's license.
Okay. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I was pleading guilty to driving while my license was suspended.
No. Yes, in a way, but you're pleading guilty to fail to display a valid operator's license.
Yes. Cause I'm trying to pay my tickets. All the tickets that you actually just brought up, I got everything fixed on my car. I was paying my insurance again today, like it's due today. I was paying my insurance and stuff again. I got everything fixed, but I couldn't make a court date.
So, Mr. Williams, listen very carefully. You're pleading to fail to display. Do you have a valid license right now?
No,
Okay, you just told the judge that you driving your car and getting it all up to date. Was that very smart, Mr. Williams?
no. I ain't said that. I'm not driving.
You said that you got your insurance is all up to date. I need to pay my insurance. Don't just get insurance on vehicles they're not driving. So just stop, answer my questions. Stop trying to provide me with so much information, because all you're doing is on a recorded document stating the fact that you still drive. So you just answer my questions and we can move forward. You hear me, Mr. Williams?
All right.
All right, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up your rights to have a bench or a jury trial before me? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention all the way back to the date of October 31st of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Hayes and Kelly Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And that, while you're driving it, did you fail to show the police officer who stopped you a valid license?
I showed them my permit.
I'm gonna say it again.
That-
Did you fail to show the police officer who stopped you a valid driver's license?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor, thank you.
So you're welcome. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to fail to display a valid operator's license. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
All right, so I have it due no later than October 16th, 2023. Sometimes you just gotta listen to the questions and answer the questions, okay? Stop trying to offer up explanations for everything. Okay? Sometimes that works
All right.
against you a little bit, but not today. But just remember that, Mr. Williams, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Nathan Washington.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of, Nathaniel, is it Nathaniel? I'm sorry.
It's Nathan Washington.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Nathaniel Devin Washington. This is ticket SP 1405107. Count 1 is in default, is improper left turn. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Nathaniel Washington.
Yes, the defendant's going to plead guilty to failing to display a valid driver's license here and now.
All right, thank you. Please raise your right hand, sir. The other. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own choice.
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of November 20th of 2022. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and Gratiot Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, was your license not valid at the time, sir?
License was not valid at the time.
Satisfied, and I stick to probable cause for the matters being dismissed. Sorry.
Thank you, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. I'll put that default in there too, Attorney Bossman. My fine is going to be $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay, so I have it due no later than October 16th, 2023. Okay, sir?
No problem.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right, I will. All right, Tierra Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Tierra Chanel Williams. This is ticket SP 1364372, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1349503, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 1. Ticket SP 1374655, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And ticket number SP 1208161. This is 1 count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you please state your name?
Tierra Williams.
Thank you, Judge. There's a plea agreement here. The defendant is going to resolve these matters here today by pleading guilty, and she's ready to give a factual basis here.
All right, if that's the case, Ms. Williams, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand. Mr. Washington, please put yourself on mute until I call your matter, okay? All right. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney, that would be Mr. Bachman, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own choice.
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still wanna move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I wanna take your attention back to the date of June 16th of 2022. Were you in the area of, did you own a GMC 2005 vehicle at that time?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who's unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes, I did.
All right, and was there no car insurance on that vehicle at the time?
No, it's not. It wasn't at the time.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied as to both counts. Thank you, Your Honor, and I stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea, 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, 1 count amended to improper plates. The remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Do you keep letting the same person drive your vehicle, Ms. Williams?
It's just I got cerebral palsy, so I can't drive. So I'm working with him to try to get his tickets and stuff together, but I physically can't drive. So,
Okay.
so yes, like he was driving my vehicle.
Ms. Williams, you gotta work harder.
I am.
Somebody else to drive you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Ms. Williams, you have insurance on your vehicle now or no?
Yes.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do on the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, since you had so many of them, I am gonna charge you $250. On the remaining count though, I'm not gonna charge you anything on the unlicensed, the improper plates, okay? How long do you need to pay that fine?
About 60 days, because I only get disability.
Okay, 60 to 90 days, which one you want?
90.
Okay, all right. Don't have it due no later than, it runs into Christmas, I hope that's not a problem, December 15th, 2023? You need it after that?
Yeah, because I also have custody of my goddaughter is new.
I know. Listen, y'all got these stories for me all the time, and I don't want to ruin the holidays. All right, so I'm gonna have it due no later than, you need to pay it before then, that way you won't have to worry about it, but I'll give you until January 1st, okay?
I'm gonna work on it as soon as possible.
Okay, maybe just put a little bit down, that way it's not as much, right? So if you got like 50 or 100, you can put down before the holidays, and then after the holidays, but I'll make it due January 15th, okay?
Okay, and I go to 36th district to.
Yes, and actually, if you come down here and this is your only ticket, you can try and do a payment plan and it may be a little less, okay? But you just gotta pay it on time. So you can always ask them to do like a payment plan, let them know that you only get so much money a month and you wanna be able to take care of it. You just need a little time, okay?
Okay.
All right, Miss Williams, get him together so that he can stop.
I will.
Thank you. All right, have a good day, Miss Williams.
Thank you. Have a good one.
All right, bye-bye, ma'am. All right, and last but not least, Cortez Washington, Mr. Washington.
Yes.
I'm gonna call the ones on the docket. Now calling the matter of people versus Cortez Dante Washington. This is ticket SP 1413452. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1363921, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1072065. Count 1, failed to display. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 440580. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir? Mr. Washington,
Yes.
state your name.
Cortez Deontay Washington.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is in compliance. He has apparently a valid driver's license. I've asked the court to check that. I've seen his registration and insurance. They both won't expire until next year. They're in his name. They're valid and current. I hope he's entitled to a dismissal here of these cases for compliance, and I would so move.
He is, the reason why I said that is because he was supposed to come back on August 4th of 2023. And so he has some other additional cases, no proof of insurance, a speed 16 to 20 miles per hour, speeding 1 to 5 up, and the passing, improper passing. But they all went back into default after I had taken them out of default because he didn't show up to his last court date.
Sir, why'd
Yes.
you miss court back at the beginning of August?
Not being fully responsible. I admit I'm guilty on that, but I'm trying to take care of all my matters so I won't have any
Attorney
issues.
Kaufman?
Because
We'll leave it to your discretion, Judge.
You have extra 2 minutes to see if we can resolve the civil infractions.
I do.
I'll dismiss the other matters and see if you can just, it's 1 16 to 20 miles over, 1 1 to 5, passing on the right shoulder or left shoulder, and then it's a no proof of insurance, but that can be taken care of. The no proof of insurance can be taken care of.
My better mind says that if the defendant took the better driver's course and came back, that he would be able to receive the best offer from the prosecutor on those.
Okay. How do you want to move forward? You want to come back and see if you can resolve those other matters? Or do you want to just get an offer? It probably won't be the best offer, but it'll be an offer. How you want to move forward today, Mr. Washington?
I can come back. I can take the driving course thing.
Okay, so what I'll do is, on the record today, I'll dismiss any insurance tickets failed to display because his license is valid, and any drive registration tickets, I'll dismiss those today. He'll come back for a hearing on the remaining 3 tickets on November the 7th, okay? Don't forget, Mr. Washington. You work nights, Mr. Washington. Why you keep falling asleep on me?
Yes, I do work nights.
Okay. All right,
I'm
Mr.
tired.
Washington.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm
Listen, as long as
I'm
I know
here,
that
though.
it's because you working and not partying, okay?
Oh no, I don't do no partying. I don't
All
drink.
right, so,
None of that.
Mr. Washington, I sent a chat to you. Please access the chat. And there is a web address that I sent you for the defensive driving course. You can get a
Okay.
certificate to come back with that, and things will work out.
Okay, I see a better drives chat.
okay, so you're coming back 11/7 at 8:30 a.m. I know it's early, but it's what I can give you, okay?
Okay.
All right, and I'm gonna dismiss the remaining tickets though, but the speeding tickets and the improper pass, I won't dismiss. I'll set them for a hearing on that day, okay? So hopefully we can resolve it.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing
Thank you,
further
Your
that
Honor.
concludes this hearing. You're welcome, sir, okay?
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Get some rest. All right, and that's this morning's stuff.
Have a great weekend, everybody. I gotta go.
You too.